like the way she points.
Hey, it's a cakey. It's a cakey.
Eat the cakey?
Yeah. Say not mine.
Yours. No, 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 no.
No, 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 no.
Gotta have more. Gotta cut it.
Watch your milk, it don't spill.
Hey, gotta cut it.
Huh?
Gotta cut it.
What is that, knife?
Yes, it's gotta cut it.
You look like you dummy.
What are we eating? We eating Chinese food there? What are we eating?
Eat it, wow.
Chocolate cake and milk.
Eat it, mama.
It's not funny, man. Nobody's laughing with you.
How it tastes?
Good.
Good? She's ready to pour.
How can you eat this without sugar? Can you give it sugar?
He's dying over there. Too bad.
I'm not a baby.
No more sugar.
He's like a prisoner. He can't get away from the tea party. Look, I wanted the sugar. It makes the same thing.
What you did?
Go put it on the sink.
No,
Not there.
no.
Throw it in the sink.
No.
Sink.
Drink it.
In the
Grandpa
sink.
drink it. Grandpa drink it. It's cakey.
No.
You don't like it?
That's I don't like it.
You
Right,
finished,
right.
see?
Fish.
There's a disgusting. Joe, you talk too loud. We can't catch the words.
This. That one.
What do you want? Cereal?
More.
Yo, go get
No.
some cereal. Put
No.
some
No,
cereal
no,
in
no,
there.
no.
Okay.
This.
The milk?
No.
Been there.
More.
Hey, easy, Anna. That's it.
Zip it.
Hey.
What a mess. Who did that?
All right. That's what happens.
Me. I'm sorry.
All right. I love you.
I love you. I'm sorry.
No, that's it. It's already full. Oh my God. Stop moving the camera.
It's funny. I can't hold myself.
She said perfect. Easy. That's it. Let me finish this first. Don't rush.
No. More.
Perfect.
Can I eat this now?
Shoot.
Stop.
Drink yours.
Natasha used to
That's
don't
mine?
say sure now. They say what? All boys.
Yeah, and hurry up and drink it, God.
Good. When I play with her.
Hey, get out of here. You're making a mess.
I used to get upset out of that. What the fuck is this girl? Is a boy or girl?
That's not funny.
Daddy, tears.
Cheers, honey. I love you. You want me to get your napkin?
No.
Why? You need a napkin to clean yourself up. No, that's dirty. There you go. Clean the table and yourself too.